It's the Monster Gamer Boy here, and today I'm going to be trying some Beluga Black Caviar here in this can. It's very expensive. My dad let me have it. He has like a bunch of it. He got it. Beluga Black Caviar. And I'm going to be trying it. I already tried caviar multiple times, and I do like the flavor, but this time it's special because it's on video. Alright, so I'm gonna get a cracker out and I'm gonna put the caviar on it. Black Beluga caviar. Look at it, it's really rich. Plus, per Oz of black caviar, it's at least $50 per Oz, I think. So this was probably $150 or something. As you could see, the Beluga caviar and the cracker. Now we're going to be taste testing it. I love caviar, it's my favorite. What I like about black caviar is the beluga richness, the ocean richness, the flavor. It just pops more than an ordinary red caviar. It's so good. It has that saltiness. That I cannot explain it. I'll have some more. They look beautiful too. Black caviar. I love caviar. I love any kind. Red, black. Sit me in. More black caviar. Huh? Oh yeah, baby. Oh. I love it. It's so good. Like, undeniable. Oh my god. I'm gonna have some more. We're not done yet. I love Beluga Black Caviar. It has the flavor of something you would imagine. You're on the beach, no humans. You're breathing in air. That's how it feels with the ocean. My dad, he doesn't mind. It's $150. He'll pay for it. So, hope you guys enjoy this video of Beluga Black Caviar. I love it. It's my favorite seafood. It's my favorite food. I put caviar everywhere. Burgers, omelets. I love it. Black, especially on omelets. It's my pleasantry reality. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Bye. Subscribe too.